Hey teachers, I'm Brittany from Teach Blog Travel. I'm leading the Google Classroom Crash Course, and today you're going to learn how to use Google Meet. Specifically, you're going to learn how to lead or start a meeting using Google Meet. Okay, so we'll be just doing basically an inch deep, mile wide, just a breadth of the features. We won't be going super deep into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to share my screen. And so you'll see in just a second that I have the meets already up on the screen. Okay, so what I'm going to suggest that you do, if you haven't already, I want you to open up another tab in Chrome, and I just want you to just open up a new tab, and I want you to go to meet.google.com. That's MEET period GOOGLE period COM. Okay. So I want you to see this, and if you haven't already, go ahead and bookmark it. I can't really show you my bar, but if you go to the little star on the top of the address, you can actually bookmark this tab so you can get back to there later. I'm going to click Join or Start a Meeting. And for the meeting nickname, this is just how you're going to show up in your meeting. So just for the sake of what you would most likely use, you'd probably use something like this. I'm going to enter the meeting as Miss Roberts. And it'll take a minute to join depending on your internet speed. Oh, it's saying I can't join. Okay, let's see what's going on. Let's try again. Okay, Brittany worked. All right, I'll have to troubleshoot that and see why Miss Roberts didn't. Okay, so my meeting's getting ready, and it says no one else is here, obviously, because I haven't invited anyone yet. I'm going to go ahead and click Join Now. Now, what's really cool about Google Meet is that, say you have some students that either don't have computers or they don't have reliable internet access at home, they can actually join your meeting using their phone. So you see up here, we have the URL for the actual meeting. You can share that in advance by sending an email to your students or by posting it in Google Classroom, especially if you have a schedule of meetings that are ongoing. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this. This copies the info to my clipboard. And now I'm going to go to my email and invite him via the Hangouts chat. So you'll see how that works for a second. Another option is you can actually add people here by clicking in their email or name if they come up in your contacts. So actually, let's go ahead and try that feature for this time, just that way you can stay on one screen. Okay, so that one's not working. So it looks like it was going a little slow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop sharing this screen for a second. And I'm going to share my Gmail with you, at least so you can see one way to do it. Another way is to type in their emails and contacts, and then this is another way to do it. So I'm going to share my Gmail screen. And as you can see down here, I have under my Gmail tabs, this is the Hangout space. So you can send chat like this, like any other messaging app, and he gets it. And if he wants to respond, he can. If he doesn't want to right now, it's fine. Oh, something's coming. There we go. Okay, so right there, I'm just going to right click and click paste, and that's going to paste the information for the meeting I created. And so to join the meeting, he can just click on that URL, or if he wants to join over the phone, he can do that. And I just remembered to turn the mic off, so hopefully that took off the echo. Ooh, sorry. Okay. Okay, and I just want to, while he is joining, I just want to show a couple of the features. So one option you can use is Captions. This is especially great if you have any students who are hearing impaired. Now, obviously, the hearing impaired version will not work. The captions won't work over the phone. Oh, make sure my mic is back on to hear that. So as you can see, as I'm talking, now I do have to watch my rate of speech. I specifically am a very fast talker. So if I want to be able to have captions that can actually capture my voice, I need to pause long enough and speak slowly enough that my computer can capture that. So just so you can see how the caption feature works, once he's logged in, he'll be able to see those captions as well. I'm going to turn that off and turn the mic off for that, just so that there's no possible echo. Now, oh, there it goes. Okay, someone is trying to join. Okay, so when someone joins your meeting, you're going to see a pop-up that shows this. It says someone wants to join the meeting. Now, you can either deny entry if you're already having a one-on-one with a student, or if you have an appointment and it's not time for the other student yet, but I'm going to go ahead and let him in because obviously I invited him to join. Oh, and look, it's little Patchy. She's so adorable. That's my cat. And my couch needs to be vacuumed. Okay. So when I have all my students joined, I can go to present if I have something I want to show. I can either show my entire screen or I can show a specific window. I'm just going to go to entire screen just so you can see that feature. You get kind of that infinity screen there right now. I'm going to click on that and click share. And then as you see in the little note back here, it says meet.google.com is sharing your screen. So now everything that's up here is visible to all of the other students who have joined. And you can see he's now in a smaller tab, so you can still see him and you can see yourself up here in the corner. Okay, so maybe I want to stop presenting and have one of the students show me what they're going on. I can just click stop presenting. If I want to add chat, I can do that. I can say something like, "Hi, Patchy." Patchy is my cat. Oh, she heard me. That's cute. And I can toggle between that to see the chat. Okay, you can just click out to get out of there. And if you want to see your screen, your face bigger, you can just click on yourself and you can see yourself, and you can keep clicking on that right-hand corner to toggle between showing yourself or showing one of the students. So that is pretty much it. I'm going to go to end the call. And yeah, that was pretty good. I don't know how the audio was because I had it muted, but I'm going to turn the home screen. So that is pretty much it. Now you actually already got kind of a taste of Google Hangouts since you were able to see the text feature. You can also do Google Video through there, through Hangouts, and I will show you how to do that in the next video. For now, I hope that was helpful, teachers. Until next time.